Assalamu alaikum nursery class. Today we will meet another number. It's 2020. It's 2020. 2020. Now what is in the picture? These are bats. Bats. Okay, these are bats. Okay, now count all the bats. 1 bat, 2 bat, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 bats. Count all the bats. They all are 20 bats. Okay, one is hidden here. 20 bats. 20 bats. 2020. Okay, right? 2020.